Well, this time I'm not fixing something. This is a genuine review. I wish I could have found this on the internet before I bought mine, and hopefully it can help you make a decision if you need it or want it. I basically upgraded the head unit on my 2009 Golf to a Pioneer 8V270 for Bluetooth basically, and the standard one was rubbish. And along with it came pretty poor bass response. So I decided to buy this to supplement the head unit. I don't want the windows to shake. I don't listen to dance and club music. So hopefully I'm going to give some cheesy demos now of what it sounds like. Point to note, it's probably worth wearing headphones. I listened to this on my iPad when I made it, and you couldn't really tell much of a difference from the speaker. If you haven't guessed already, I don't have any professional audio recording equipment. This is just from the camera's microphone, and so it wasn't the best response, and I think it was auto levelling. When I put the subwoofer on full then, the music didn't go quiet on purpose. I think the camera was just self-levelling. So slightly more technical test now. I'm just running through a few bass frequencies from an album I found on Spotify. So it's no subwoofer. Halfway. Full. No. Half. Full. None. Half. Full. None. Half. Full. None. Half. Full. I think from this point 35 is about as low as it goes. That's none. 45 seems to be the sweet spot really. Half. Full. And on full, you can't tell on this sound, but it was pretty much distorting about 3/4 of the way up, to be honest. None. Half. Full. There's no response really from either. I mean, the speakers weren't producing anything at that level. It's none. Half. Full. So there you go. Hopefully that can help you a little bit better than I could make out on the web. It's not scientific by any means, but at least it gives you a real-world demonstration of what you can get out of a car. And just for reference, the seats were up and the parcel shelf was up, so I imagine it'd be a lot louder if you actually had the cabin space. So thanks for watching. Any comments or criticisms you'd like to put in there, please feel free. But again, cheers. Bye-bye.